Hello and welcome back. In this short video, I am going to show you a technique you can use with Screencast-o-matic that's going to allow you to trim your videos. And what I mean by that is, let's say this video is 24.7 long, and let's say that I really only need the first 20 seconds of it, and the rest, either there was a mistake on it and I kind of let that go through, or maybe for another, I'm repurposing the video. You know, I have a section and I'd like to start, or I have a video that I've used and it's good, but I would like to simply take the middle 10 seconds. I want to start at the 10 seconds and then have 10 seconds worth of video and create that into a new video. So here we go. The first thing you do is when you're done with a video, you go to done. Notice I have the regular upload and download screens, and that's fine. But up here, you can always go back to your recordings, and the things that you've recorded are listed here. So if I open up this last recording, let me click off so that this goes away. Move this out of the way for a second. You can see that along the bottom, this is the timeline of the video, and if I hit play, okay, here I am on Screencast-o-matic, and then I want to... It'll play right through the video. I can click along to help find the spot that I want. But what I can do is before I save this video or before I upload it, I simply can grab the left bar and drag it to the point that I want to start the video. So let me just try it again. I want to do some other things. Oh, no, I'll bring this right back to the beginning. There we go. I want to do some other things, and after a while I decide that my video is done. And I just want this middle little piece. I can go to the right. I can bring this back right to where I've marked it. And now, if I save the file or if I upload it to Screencast-o-matic, I am only going to get this little piece here. So I just say save to video. Again, I'm just going to leave the recording and the locations the way they are, but I could edit all these things, and I say publish, and you're going to notice that process is pretty quick because I'm really only saving about 5 minutes of video. So it's a good technique to know. It's a way to get rid of some of your mistakes. So I've got this nice video and I realize there's a problem in the middle and I want the beginning and I want the end. I can repeat that process several times. I can open this up, and then you see how it's set. I can go back here, or I can say, that's the other piece I want. Now, once you get the various pieces, you're going to have to stitch them together into a new video, but it's a quick trick for trimming, basically, cropping from one end or the other of your video.